Okay, next one up, lovely little Suzuki SV650. This is a new client. He just rang about 15 minutes ago, asked if we could fit him in for a full trot valet. And I said, of course we can. So he's just turned up. He's literally just bought this a week ago. It is a 72 plate, but it's got 5,400 miles on it. The previous owner used to commute to and from Cornwall on it, so it's doesn't look like it's ever been properly cleaned. So we're going to do one of our full Monty valets. We'll get some XCP corrosion protection on it. We'll get all that front end, all that exhaust as new. Same with these calipers, wheels. I'm going to do a single stage polish on this tail section. It looks like it's had a bungee cord tied on there, so it's got a few marks. We'll get all that chain done, get it looking like it just rolled out of the showroom. So give me 2 hours. Watch this space. Go 1 hour and 30 minutes. This Suzuki SV650 has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This thing has come up as new. This had one of our legendary full Monty valets with the misting of XCP corrosion protection, extra polishing on all that exhaust. Look at it, it's come up like new. Everything's been treated, dressed, cleaned, all the chain's been re-lubed, all that old chain lube has been removed. Extra XCP on all your nuts, and I just did a single stage polish, managed to get most of that scratching out from here. All the taint's been done, all done in 1 hour 45 minutes. Get yours booked in now. 07966 249 963.